Welcome to our MoneyXGrab channel, where we believe that financial literacy is the key to unlocking your dreams. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change your life: financial literacy for beginners. Not too long ago, I found myself buried in debt, struggling to make ends meet. But I made a decision to take control of my finances, and today, I want to share the knowledge and strategies that transformed my life. Research shows that those with strong financial literacy tend to have higher savings, make better investment decisions, and experience less financial stress. It's time to embark on your journey to financial freedom. Understanding financial basics. Before we dive into the practical tips, let's take a look at some eye-opening statistics. A recent survey found that over 40% of adults don't have $400 saved for an emergency. We're here to change that statistic. Financial literacy means having the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. It's not about being a math genius. It's about understanding basic concepts. We'll start with the basics. Concepts like budgeting, saving, and debt management are fundamental. We'll break down these terms to help you build a strong foundation. Before we dive into the practical tips that will transform your financial future, let's take a moment to reflect on some eye-opening statistics. In a recent survey, it was revealed that over 40% of adults don't have $400 saved for an emergency. That means that for many people, an unexpected expense could send them into a financial tailspin. But here's the good news: we're here to change that statistic. Let's look at a visual chart or infographic representing the survey's findings, emphasizing the lack of emergency savings. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of making informed financial decisions. It's not about being a math genius or having an MBA in finance. It's about having the knowledge and skills to navigate the financial aspects of your life with confidence and competence. Financial literacy is your passport to financial freedom, and we're here to make it accessible to you. Let's understand the concept of financial literacy as a bridge to financial freedom. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and start building your financial foundation. We'll begin with the basics: concepts like budgeting, saving, and debt management. These are the building blocks of financial success, and understanding them will empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Budgeting is like a roadmap for your money. It's a plan that helps you allocate your income to cover your expenses, savings goals, and debt payments. By creating and sticking to a budget, you gain control over where your money goes. Saving is the practice of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's not just about stashing money under the mattress. It's about building a financial cushion that can provide security and opportunities. Debt management involves understanding and effectively handling any money you owe. It's about strategies to pay off debts efficiently, avoid high-interest traps, and regain control of your financial health. Let's simplify these concepts, making them accessible and relatable for beginners. By understanding these fundamental financial concepts, you're taking the first steps towards financial literacy and, ultimately, financial success. We're here to guide you on this journey, one step at a time. So, get ready to take control of your financial future and start building the life you've always dreamed of. The power of budgeting. Studies have shown that people who budget are more likely to achieve their financial goals. In fact, 68% of those who budget regularly report feeling financially secure. Budgeting is simply a plan for how you'll spend your money. It's about tracking your income, expenses, and setting goals. We'll guide you through creating a beginner-friendly budget. We'll explore tools and strategies that make budgeting simple and effective, ensuring you have control over your finances. Now, let's delve into the incredible power of budgeting. Studies have consistently shown that people who budget are not only more likely to achieve their financial goals but also report feeling financially secure. In fact, a staggering 68% of those who budget regularly say they feel financially stable. Display charts or statistics showcasing the positive impact of budgeting on financial security. Budgeting is a financial game changer. It's simply a plan for how you'll spend your money. Think of it as a roadmap that guides your financial journey. It involves tracking your income, understanding your expenses, and setting clear financial goals. Budgeting empowers you to allocate your resources wisely, ensuring that you're in charge of your financial destiny. Use visual aids like a roadmap or flowchart to illustrate the concept of budgeting as a clear path to financial control. Creating a budget may sound daunting, but fear not. We're here to make it simple and effective, especially for beginners. Here are some practical budgeting tips and tools to help you get started on the right track. Begin by understanding your sources of income and your monthly expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets can be incredibly helpful for this. Set clear financial goals. Next, establish clear financial goals. What are you saving for? It could be an emergency fund, a dream vacation, or even retirement. Having specific goals will motivate you to stay on track. Categorize your expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essential, like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, and utilities. Wants are discretionary expenses, like dining out or entertainment. This will help you prioritize your spending. Create a spending plan. Based on your income and expenses, create a spending plan. Allocate specific amounts to each expense category. Be realistic, and make sure your income covers your spending. Track and adjust. Consistently track your spending against your budget. This will help you stay accountable and make adjustments if necessary. Don't be discouraged by occasional setbacks. Budgeting is about progress, not perfection. By implementing these budgeting tips and strategies, you're taking a significant step towards financial control and success. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about aligning your spending with your financial goals. So, get ready to create a budget that empowers you to achieve your dreams. Your financial freedom starts here. Saving and investing for beginners. Saving is the cornerstone of financial security. Research shows that setting aside even a small percentage of your income can make a significant difference over time. We'll delve into the magic of compound interest and how it can help your money grow effortlessly. It's a crucial concept for beginner investors. Investing might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. We'll simplify the process and help you understand the different investment options available, from stocks to bonds and more. Now that you have a solid budget in place, let's talk about the cornerstone of financial security, savings. Saving is the practice of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's not just a good financial habit, it's a financial lifeline. Research consistently shows that saving, even a small percentage of your income, can make a significant difference over time. One of the most magical concepts in finance is compound interest. It's like your money's secret superpower. We'll delve into the mechanics of compound interest and how it can help your money grow effortlessly over time. This is a crucial concept for beginner investors, and it's the key to building wealth. Now, let's talk about investing, an area that might sound intimidating but doesn't have to be. We're here to simplify the process and make it accessible for beginners. Investing is all about making your money work for you, and it's a crucial step in building wealth. We'll help you understand the different investment options available, from stocks to bonds and more. Before you start investing, it's essential to assess your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the possibility of fluctuations in your investment value, or do you prefer a more stable approach? We'll guide you in determining your risk tolerance, so you make informed investment decisions. Diversification is a key strategy to manage risk in your investment portfolio. We'll explain how spreading your investments across different asset classes can help protect your money and optimize returns. Lastly, remember that time is your ally when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. We'll explore the concept of compounding time and show you why it's never too early or too late to begin your investment journey. By understanding the importance of savings, harnessing the power of compound interest, and gaining insight into the basics of investing, you're well on your way to financial empowerment. Stay tuned for more in-depth discussions on various investment options in our upcoming videos. Your journey to financial freedom has begun. Effective money management. A survey found that only 32% of Americans maintain a household budget. We're determined to change that statistic by providing you with actionable money management tips. Debt can be overwhelming, but there are strategies to tackle it. We'll provide guidance on how to reduce and manage debt effectively. Financial emergencies happen to everyone. We'll explain the importance of an emergency fund and how to build one gradually. Before we continue, let's shine a light on a concerning statistic. According to a recent survey, only 32% of Americans maintain a household budget. That means the majority are navigating their finances without a clear plan. But fear not, we're determined to change that statistic by providing you with actionable money management tips that will put you in control of your financial destiny. One common financial hurdle many face is debt. It can feel overwhelming, but there are effective strategies to tackle it. Debt management is not just about paying off what you owe. It's about regaining control of your financial life. We'll provide guidance on how to reduce and manage debt effectively. Financial emergencies happen to everyone, and they can be major setbacks if you're not prepared. That's why we'll explain the importance of an emergency fund and how to build one gradually. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, providing peace of mind and financial stability during unexpected crises. An emergency fund is essentially a savings account designated for unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. It prevents you from dipping into your savings or going further into debt when life throws a curveball. We'll guide you on how to gradually build your emergency fund, whether you're starting from scratch or boosting an existing one. We'll cover strategies like automating savings, setting achievable goals, and making smart financial choices to accelerate your progress. By mastering these money management strategies, you'll not only regain control of your finances but also experience the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're financially prepared for whatever life throws your way. Your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and these money management strategies will serve as your trusted companions along the way. Remember, your financial well-being matters, and you have the power to shape it. Stay tuned for more empowering financial content, and let's continue this journey together toward financial freedom. Conclusion and call to action. Congratulations! You've taken the first step on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, financial literacy is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep taking control of your financial destiny. If you found this video inspiring and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering content to help you on your wealth-building journey. Your financial dreams are within reach. With the knowledge and determination you've gained today, you have the power to create a brighter financial future. Let's embark on this journey together, one step at a time. Until next time, stay motivated and financially empowered.